Hello friends. So talking about the auctioning of minerals, mines and ores, we have seen how the government of India has taken a very strategic move to auction the coal blocks. 19 coal blocks they have auctioned recently out of the 38 blocks identified for auctioning, and the rest is also in the process of being sold to private players for their non-captive purposes as well, commercial selling of coals and other activities. So that is a strategic shift. And in fact, the invitation to the private players, so these players, there was very little entry barrier. So that's another important principle induced by the government of India in auctioning of such national assets, if we can say so. Now, two learnings come out of this. One is that these new principles of auctioning out the national ores minerals is something is which is acceptable and which is something now emboldened with this successful auctioning of 19 blocks recently, and it can be other minerals can be looked upon for such kind of auctioning. Secondly, it is important to understand that this is something which requires some sort of oversight as well. Some independent regulator may be required to see how the activities are being undertaken by the private players with those uh, minerals what they have bought. However, it is not to suggest that there be government intervention, regulator intervention, but overall, in terms of environmental concerns and other concerns, what the government has, those can be addressed with an independent regulator if we are going through, if we are going with this principle of auctioning it to the private players for non-captive purposes for other minerals as well. Because suppose in case of coal, there is a possibility that a lot of episodic oversight is there from the government. However, if it is put in principle for other minerals as well, and it starts happening at a high frequency for many minerals, then in that case, there is a possibility that some oversight may be lacked by the government, and there might be some environmental damage in some cases or something. So those are to be prevented, and proper party is to be made accountable for such things. Otherwise, we may create a recipe for disaster. So that may be something which the government can think upon to set up an independent oversight regulator for such auctioning. One important aspect from these activities, what we learn, it is important that such minerals, be it coal or other, is auctioned out and used by private players to create whatever energy or whatever activity they can be deployed upon. The reason being is the timing is important because down the line, the more we delay it, the more the value of these products will reduce, and the lesser will be their power to give us some strategic edge over other countries. Reason being that we are shifting to, the world is shifting to newer technologies, newer kinds of renewable energies. Solar is taking its space, wind is taking its space, hydroelectricity and others. So coal-based electricity products, other things, or even other minerals, these may be coal being non-renewable and other things, and in fact creating a lot of carbon footprint, may not be competitive down the line. So the earlier we exhaust these resources rightfully, the more strategic edge advantage we can get over other countries, because right now still India is not liable to stick to such carbon footprint uh, control measures being discussed upon. However, it's voluntary, but still we should exhaust our resources and take the advantage whatever possible when the timing is correct. So I think this is the time when we need to think on these lines as well, that quick decisions and actions are required to take that advantage of such vast reserves we have. Thank you.